Hey everyone, I'm Anushka. If you're watching this video, probably you're about to join SST or you're still wondering if you have to. I know exactly how it feels like. This video is for you. To the ones who are still deciding, to the ones who are very uncertain, or probably to the ones who are already in the journey and still feeling overwhelmed. I'm going to take you through my story, what it was before SST, what did I do in my first year, and where exactly I am right now. You'll hear the tough parts, the wins, and the moments where I really thought it was getting too much. Trust me, if I can do this, so can you. I wasn't always sure if I wanted to be an engineer, and definitely not in tech. Back in school, tech wasn't really a part of my life. I didn't choose CS, not in ninth, not even in 10th. And even in college, nothing related to computer science. So if you're watching this and thinking, what if I don't have a technical background? Will I even fit in? I want to tell you, I asked myself those exact same questions. At that time, I was juggling with multiple other entrance exams. Did well in a few, but there was always this cloud of confusion. Do I really want to do engineering? Or I was doing what everyone else was doing? Something about tech kept pulling me back. The world was moving fast. AI, automation, software. I felt like the future was being built and I didn't want to watch it from sideline. I wanted to understand it and be a part of it. That's when I came across Scalar School of Technology. And if you're anything like I was, you're probably doing exactly what I did. Searching on YouTube videos like this, scrolling through blogs, reading every last Quora post. Is SST worth it? Is SST legit? Is it a scam? And I felt that because when I joined, SST had only one batch. There wasn't really a long alumni chain to fall back on. It was a leap, but I cleared the entrance test. But then came the mock interview round. That's where the real doubt hit him. One part of the interview was about tech projects. I had none. Like zero. But in the interview, instead of judging me, they listened. He looked at my mindset and my willingness to grow. And that mattered more than any other tech project. After that, I did something that changed everything. I visited the campus with my mom and dad. I still remember that we sat down with Yash sir and he explained everything in such detail. The curriculum, the model and the vision behind SST. And then when we went back to the hostel, I got to meet a senior and I asked her all real questions. She didn't sugarcoat anything. She told all the sides, the black and the white, and that really helped a lot. And then when I came back and sat down with my family, we discussed everything, the pros and the cons. And honestly, convincing them wasn't that hard. I wasn't just choosing a college, I was choosing my career. And picking the right one mattered a lot. That's how my journey began. The first class I attended was web development. I couldn't even install VS Code. Yeah, that was my day one. Everything felt fast. Everyone seemed to know everything and I was lost. Where to even start? The first few months were honestly tough and overwhelming. This wasn't something I'd ever done before. This wasn't just a new curriculum, it was a whole new world. I scored badly in my initial test. I cried more than once because I felt like maybe I didn't belong. DSA, it felt like a nightmare in broad daylight. To top it off, I was away from home for the first time. New people, new routine and hostel life. Trying to be an adult when all I wanted was my comfort zone back. So yeah, that was tough. I won't sugarcoat it. There are cons too. There is absolutely no campus life as compared to traditional colleges. There are no weekend fests, canteens full of chaos or those long campus strolls. Here, it is all intense. There are exams every month, assignments, contests, deadlines. It does get exhausting. You'll have breakdowns and you'll miss home. Sometimes you'll even question yourself. But slowly things began to change for me. I found a few good friends, those who don't make you feel small for asking basic doubts. I was pushing myself to do DSA every single day. The progress was slow, painfully slow, but it was a progress. Just like some of you all watching this video might be feeling right now, like everyone's sprinting and you are crawling. Let me tell you, you're not alone. The first 3-4 months felt like a lot, physically, emotionally, and mentally. And during one family dinner, I went out all of this to my uncles. That's when he said something I'll never forget. People might have started earlier, but you are on your path now. At some point, the graph will meet and it will all balance out. That sentence stayed with me and I started being consistent. I let go of perfection and started focusing on consistency. Slowly, things changed. I started enjoying the essay, started building actual projects with the team, working with people and reading in some cases, learning not just to code but also think like a developer. And now I'm working on a startup, building something real, trying to solve actual problems. And now when I look back from struggling to install VS Code and now working on a startup, it all feels surreal. Things eventually fall in place. You need to give it some time. Please know it's okay to not be okay. You are not late. You're just getting started. Today, I'm in a much better phase. Not perfect, but better. And that matters more than anything. Right now, I'm in my last term of first year at SST. Looking back, it's been a roller coaster. But somewhere along the ride, I started learning how to hold the wheel and build projects I never thought I could. A news app, a YouTube clone. I learned DSA, React, and the basics of machine learning, and even probability and statistics. And the best part, I'm not doing it alone. I'm working on a startup now, something I genuinely believe in. And SST has helped me connect with the right people at the right time to make the right decision. SST is a place where you have to keep pushing yourself every single day. There is something new happening in tech every day, and you have to show up, be it contests, assignments, presentations, or just team projects. The curriculum is intense, but I signed up for it because that is what growth looks like. Uncomfortable but worth it. Recently, a few days back, I got an appreciation of tech excellence at SST. I even got selected in the top 8 to pitch in front of the VCs. It might look like a small token, but for me, it's a milestone. I'm doing fairly well in academics, but life, it isn't just about marks anymore. I started doing content creation, picked up editing, and started to read more books. In an intense environment like this, it is easy to lose track of yourself. Now, I take out time for workouts and take care of myself. It's never too late. The version of me 8 months before will be really proud of what I am today. Just like you all, I once searched videos like this, wondering if someone else felt like me. And if you're watching this right now, know that it will all make sense. Not all at once, but eventually it will. Thank you.